Nordic Heritage Park is a permanent year-round monument on the waterfront in the historic downtown section of Astoria, Oregon. It honors the Scandinavian and Nordic immigrants who significantly influenced Astoria's culture and history in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Astoria has a Scandinavian Midsummer Festival. The festival committee wanted to build a memorial for their 50th anniversary in 2017. Well, this idea went from a memorial to an entire park that took 7 years to build. It was finally completed June 17, 2022. The Nordic pillars represent Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Iceland, and Finland.
This is the Gateway Arch. It represents their drive and determination to improve their lives in the New World. Nordic folklore is filled with stories about trolls. It is rumored that 6 of them have immigrated to Astoria.
Trolls are part of Nordic myths and folklore. They come in all sizes and can be very mischievous or very helpful. All 6 trolls in the Nordic Park have their own tale that you can read about. I will add that link in the comment section below.
These trunks are a representation of the luggage used at that time.
Hall was built in 1893 by the Finnish Temperance Society. The hall was intended as a gathering and entertainment facility. The temperance movement aimed to draw Finnish fishermen away from taverns and into more social activities. The Astoria Riverfront Trolley is a restored 1913 streetcar. It travels along the riverfront, offering views of the Columbia River, wildlife, mainly seals, and historic sites. Volunteers provide interesting historic facts and stories about Astoria. It only costs $2, and well-behaved dogs are even welcome.
A short distance away is the Columbia River Maritime Museum. It has many wonderful exhibits, including one that covers the Graveyard of the Pacific. It also covers the lightship Columbia, a National Historic Landmark where visitors could tour the living quarters of a former floating lighthouse. They also have interactive displays, a 3D theater, a research library, workshops, and educational programs. If you want to go on more adventures with us, hit that like and subscribe.